so glad you've joined me again for another video on circles. Today we're going to write an equation using the center and a point that is given. So it says here, write the equation of a circle with center at -2, 4 that passes through the point -6, 7. So remember that the equation of a circle is r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. So also remember and note that the center is always going to be your h and k, and any other point is going to be your x and y. So notice that they did not give us the radius. What is the radius? So the first thing we have to do is to find the radius. So let's plug in all the information we know into this formula and solve for r. My x is -6. My h is a -2, so I'm going to put a parentheses there. My y is 7 minus, okay, and then k minus 4. From here, let's go ahead and just simplify. And our goal is to get r by itself. We have -6. Negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, and we can continue solving this by hand, or you could also put it in Desmos. So now that's in Desmos, we have our graph here. And remember, whenever you have an x squared, your answer is going to come out as a positive and a negative. Because we're dealing with distances, we want to get the positive answer. So we have a -5 here, and we have a +5 here, so we're going to go ahead and use our +5. So now that we know that your radius is 5, we have everything we need to know to write the equation of a circle. Remember, all we need to know is the center and the radius. All right, so let's plug it into the equation. Remember, the equation is r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. We're going to replace your r with 5 squared. We're going to leave x and y's intact, and we'll just write the center of the circle. H, once again, was at -2. And your k was at 4. Let's go ahead and simplify this. 5 times 5 is 25. Negative times a negative is a positive. So there it is. Now this kind of looks kind of flipped. It doesn't really matter, but usually you'll see the equation of a circle in the other format where you have the x and the y's on the left-hand side. So I'm going to just rewrite it, flip it. And so this is going to be our final answer. Alrighty, I hope you had fun. See you in the next video.